Hey everybody, Dave Maturo, my son David. We're here for the martial way, do some online videos. So we were outside, now we took it inside, little gym area that we have here, really small. But we thought we'd continue with the high punch. And a lot of our defenses, if we had the attacker with the arm out, so a lot of them have been going to the outside of the hand. We used the circular motion, we came in on the inside to counter strike. We actually knocked the hand down and we came in. So this time I thought we'd go to the inside of the swing. So, you know, we're here, he's throwing a punch, boom, right? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come to the inside. 1, 2, bang. All right, let's do that again. All right, he comes in, boom, boom, bang. Now from here, I've got the inside. I'm gonna sweep down to his leg, stretch his arm out, and throw him over my hip. This is called koshi nage, right? Just to show you that just a smidge more dynamically, but we're gonna be nice and slow and controlled. Right, it's boom, boom, pop, here, wah, and we throw him over the hip. We'll do the other side here, slowly. He throws with his left hand, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, stretch his arm out, take him up over your hip. That is hip throw from a high punch. We'll see you tomorrow.